All right, boys. Day 6 or 7 of this project. It is see 10:30, February 20th. 24 degrees outside, but heat has been obtained. Shout out to my boy Spencer. Let's fire this thing up real quick. Running, but we have heat, so that means, and we got all this plastic around. I might need to add a few more zip ties and seal this up a little bit better, but yeah, heat has been obtained and this thing works really good. So I'm gonna have this thing heat up the engine bay, and while that's warming up the space, I'm gonna get in here and start popping out this dashboard and just rip apart this interior so that I can pull out the heater core and then get that harness out of the way, remove the brake booster, remove the brake booster. Maybe I might drop this rack. I said I wasn't, but I think I will. We gotta remove this cowl, take out the wiper blades, wiper motor. But yeah, we got heat, so let's get to cooking. There's a quick before of the interior before I rip it apart. I'm gonna do all of this a lot better. I hate these screws holding this in, but it is what it is. I have no idea how to remove any of this, so I'm probably gonna just put the camera somewhere and just you can watch me do it, watch me learn, or whatever. All right, dashboard is out. Most interiors ripped apart. Now I can start messing around and figure out what all these wires do. It's like all this janky ass. All right, dash is out. Dash bar is out. Heater core is also out, but now I know why this part did not have heat. I'm pretty sure this is not supposed to do this. That shoe's broken. But it seems like I can replace this. So it'd be nice to get heat and AC in this car if I can. See, but yeah, those holes are there. We'll take that off. But now I can finally get this harness out of here. So let's do that real quick. All this room for activities, if you will. This is finally out. So I can go through this and see what's not used and try to simplify it a bit and clean it up. Well, we'll look at that later. All right, here's a little update on what I got going on. I got the heater core out, brake booster out, one coilover just sitting there. Cowl is out. Bunch of random parts is here. Keith came to give me a hand. But yeah, the bay is looking real bare finally. A lot of the grease is gone. But yeah, now it's time to just drop this subframe. I'm just gonna do it right. I'm gonna take the fenders off. I'm gonna take just everything out of here. Brake calipers are coming out. I'm gonna strip this down. I'm gonna like Raptor liner or just like undercoat it. Fenders are coming off, the kit's coming off. There's like some rust and stuff I gotta take care of, but I'm gonna strip it down completely, take my time and do it right, because I gotta wait for parts to put this engine together. I gotta head to a machine shop, and then I'll have a nice car for the summer. I'm not in a rush to get this done. So first things first, I'm gonna remove this caliper. We got some Willwood calipers on this thing. Yeah, so it's connected up here. We're gonna get that out. So then there'll be one less thing in the engine bay to try to take off. Once the calipers are off, then it's just like 4 bolts holding the subframe in, and then that'll just come out. Let's see, is this one? Well, I think, yeah, I zip tied the coil, the brakes to it, so that's why that's there. But all right, let's get to it. Alright, we're just gonna loose out this subframe bolt here. This is the tightest. All right. Let's hit it with the impact now. All right. So now the only thing holding the subframe in should just be the steering column on the rack. So let's just release this jack and see what happens. Okay, that didn't move at all. Damn. Crusty. Alright, cool. One more, I think. Yeah, I think one more and this thing should be out. Let's see. Follow me. See if we get lucky, just get it with the impact. All the oil, well, this is a brand new bolt. I guess all the oil leaking just really protected this. So, if my math is correct, it could be wrong. I think that's it, everything. Let's see, you ready? It moved. Let's see, let's break it. Right? Okay. It's probably caught up on this. That's one way to remove that. Alright, cool. Let's whoa. Control arms out. Excuse me. The frame is out. It's like just yesterday we were removing a subframe from the E36. Do it once, do it right. Or don't do it at all. Here's the situation right now. Got the dash sitting over there, subframe right here, tools everywhere, there's a control arm here, and the car is bare. As bare as it's gonna be for now. Coilovers here, more shit here, some more shit there, even more shit. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna clean up all of this mess so we're not just rolling in grease and dirt, and then I'll pick up back from there and see what's next. Alright, here's where we're at. Got the heater going, trying to warm this place up a little bit. We're gonna rip these fenders off so there's less things to tape off, and you know, we'll be able to paint all the way up to behind here, but in order to get the fender off I need to take these damn side skirts off. So it's time to lose the still-in kit, as Keith said. What do you guys think? Should I keep the kit or get rid of it? It kind of fits like shit, but I can make it fit better. I don't know, we got options here. That's not the main priority right now. Right now, let's get this big prep for paint. It's like dirt. God damn! That might be sweet. It's cold. Kinda wet. Holy shit! At least it didn't ride out yet. Let's fire up the heat. This side is so greasy, bro. Alright, so here's where I'm at with this project. I got the fenders off, got everything stripped out of the engine bay, except for maybe like one or two, harness hold downs, but I'm probably gonna reinforce this a little bit. Like I said a million times already, weld up some of these holes, and then start scuffing and sanding, and then this will be ready to hit with some primer. I got the primer sitting right here, got it from my buddy. And then from like this line, I guess, or maybe like, yeah, somewhere here going down and under, I'm gonna redo with undercoating, or I want to use truck bed liner, because it's hard to see. I need to get a light, but yeah, my mission right now is to just get all of this, and then all of this, and like interior pieces and stuff, just put into some bins. I've already got like most of the engine and stuff in those two. Just picked up two more, so let's get to cleaning. Also, this is like the best degreaser for subframes and transmissions and whatever you have that's greasy.